Canva with RFM.
Welcome back to another video. This is Canva with RFM, and in this video we will be using Canva on the phone. I've already downloaded Canva, so I will just open it. Canva is very easy to use on the phone and has a very similar layout to the computer, just smaller. When you open it, Canva will ask you to sign up, but I've already signed up, so it won't ask me that. They will bring up your home page, looking very similar like the home page on the phone. Here are all the templates that Canva has created, and to look at your designs, you just press on Designs. If you want to look at things like Shared with You, you go to Menus. We can go back to Home, and in this video we will be creating an Instagram post. Simply press on it, press blank, and then choose a template. We will scroll down and choose a template that we want. Something like this looks quite nice, I think. We want to change it to make it our images. So we just go add on the side. I'll do that again. Add. Then press photos or upload your own photo. We'll simply type in beach. Whoops. Beach. Scroll down. Something like this is quite nice. Drag the image around with your finger and drop it in. Now there's also an image behind there, so we also want to add your own image there. So do add photos and choose something of your own. We're going to be using this one and drag it in. Now we want to be able to see both of the images, not like before. So we simply align it. We're going to be doing it right in the middle. And on these, we're going to be able to align it by seeing this one box that Canva puts. There you go. Now we're going to simply press add, and we're going to add an element. Search beach. And then choose something that you want. We're going to be just using something quite simple, like this. Now we can put this here on the side and make it a bit bigger or smaller. Just by putting your finger on the corner and moving your finger across the screen. Now we want to edit what the text says, so we just press on the text. Then type in whatever you want. So we're gonna write holiday holidays in Spain. Then you can also change the text here. We're gonna write fun beach. Now we're gonna make it capital. Whoops. Okay, there we go. Now when we want to change the text, so we just press on the text and then press the name of the text. So this text is called Jonathan. Press on it and then choose something. We can try something like Great Vibes. That's quite cool looking, I think. Now you want to make the B big and maybe also the F big. I will just rewrite it. Then make it smaller or bigger depending on what you want. We're gonna turn it a bit in the other direction. You just want a really light turn. There we go. Move it just down a little bit. Now I want to change the background as well, so we just press on the background, or you can just do add and press background. We want something like a background that's like a sand, so we'll just type in sand, search, and we can have something like beach. Something like this kind of looks like a beach. Now we can't read the text anymore, so just press on the text. Now swipe to the side, press color, and choose your color. So we can use something like this. And now we can press the top one. Whoops. And then swipe to the side, press it, choose the color. Now I think it's a bit too much down, so we can just move it up and up. We can have this here, this a bit more up, and something like this. So then if you are happy with your design, you can immediately upload it to Instagram, or you can download it to your phone. So the way you do that is at the top it has the crown for Pro, and then next to it it has this download button. Then it will just download it, just very similar to how it downloads things on the computer. So then you can go continue editing or go to home page. Or you can do here, the one next to it, which is like an upload, and just press Instagram or Facebook or whatever you want. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you know how to design things on the phone, and I hope you have figured out how to navigate yourself on the phone. It's quite easy. So now we're just gonna go back to home, and maybe later home, and I will see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Check out the other videos in this course by pushing on the playlist on the top left, and see you next time. Bye!